Namaskar everyone. My name is Samiksha Gurwal. I study in second A class. My school name is Cambridge Court High School. My speaking is topic is my favorite season. My favorite season is rainy season. It is very pleasant season. It is also called monsoon season. It comes in June and in September. Sometimes I see rainbow. It gives us a relief from the sun's heat. Farmer friend is a rainy season. It is very cold season. The sky is